Welcome to stringclass. Manipulate text with powerful methods. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without strings, we'd have to manage text as messy arrays of characters. How do we handle text in Java? Manual character arrays are messy. Hard to compare text values. No built-in text operations. Stringclass provides ready-made methods for text manipulation. How is stringclass used in the real world? User input. Store and validate form data. File paths. Handle file locations and names. Data formatting. Prepare output for display. Stringclass powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without stringclass? Manipulating text using primitive char arrays. Look at how messy the code gets. Manual character manipulation. No built-in methods. Hard to compare strings. There has to be a better way. Here comes a solution. Stringclass. Look how clean the code is now. Built-in methods. Easy concatenation. Compare the difference. And that is why we use stringclass. Let's see how to implement stringclass in code. Here is the implementation. Create string. Initialize with literal. Get length. Count characters in string. Convert case. Make all letters uppercase. Concatenate strings. Join with another string. Compare strings. Check if equal to another. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. How do you get the length of a string? Which one is correct? The correct answer is string uses length, method, not a field. What does str to uppercase do? Which one is correct? The correct answer is strings are immutable. It returns a new string. What is the result of java.equals Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is equals is case sensitive. J equals J. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is string literals are pooled. S1 and S2 reference same object. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.